Welcome to LambdaX Analytics. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to customize and personalize your dashboard, including adding and removing widgets, configuring dashboards for different user roles, and saving and sharing personalized dashboard configurations. Let's get started. To make your dashboard truly useful, you can add or remove widgets to display the most relevant data. Here's how. You can click on the dashboard, select Add a Widget. Once you've added your widget, you can drag and drop widgets to arrange them as needed. To edit or remove a widget, simply click the three dots in the right-hand corner of the widget and press the option that works best for you. This flexibility allows you to tailor your dashboard to your specific workflow. Different users need different insights. With LambdaX, you can configure widgets based on user roles, such as project managers, legal team, or the finance team. To configure role-based views for widgets, you can go to the widget settings by clicking on the three dots in the right-hand corner of the widget, clicking Edit, and assign the relevant groups to view this widget. This ensures that every team member sees the most relevant data without unnecessary clutter. Once you've set up your ideal dashboard, you can save and share it with your team. The dashboard saves in real time as you build it out. All you need to do is choose the permission setting and select users or teams to grant access to. If needed, export the configuration for backup or replication across teams. By saving and sharing dashboards, you ensure consistency and efficiency across your organization. That's a quick guide to customizing and personalizing dashboards in LambdaX Analytics. For more tutorials, check out our other training videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing with LambdaX.